Good day, dear children. How are you? Good, I am good too. Let's begin our English lesson. Learning objective is understand independently specific information and detail in short, simple texts on a limited range of general and curricular topics. Assessment criteria is identify particular facts and part in reading passage. Children, look at the picture and think about new theme. How do you think? What is the theme of our lesson? Right, our theme for today name is classroom objects. Look, listen and repeat. Desk, desk, blackboard, blackboard, chair, chair, bookcase, bookcase, computer, computer, map, map, projector, projector, bin, bin. And what are these words in your language? Desk, stall, right, blackboard, доска, well done, chair, стул, okay, bookcase, книжный шкаф, nice to you, computer, computer, okay, map, карта, good, projector, okay, проектор, bin, урна, well done. Pre-reading exercises. Task number 1. Look at the picture at page 10, exercise 1 and answer the questions. Question number 1. Which of these objects are there in your classroom? Question number 2. What do we use them for? Okay, well done. Task number 2. Read two texts in exercise 2, page 10. Descriptor. Elena reads texts carefully, understands the main information. Assessment criteria. Elena reads texts and understands the main information. Stop the video and make exercise number 2. Post-reading exercises. Task number 3. Mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say. Descriptor. Elena, mark the sentences true, false, or doesn't say correctly. Sentence number 1. There are 30 boat schools in Chelanbil. Please write true, false, or doesn't say. Sentence number 2. Each student in the both schools has got a computer on their desk. Third sentence. The both schools have got libraries. Sentence number 4. In the Vitra Telephone Plan School, there are areas for experiments and relaxation. Sentence number 5. When students work by themselves at the Vitra Telephone Plan School, they sit around a large table. Let's check your answers. First, doesn't say. Second, false. Third, true. Fourth, true. Fifth, false. And now count your pluses and minuses. If you have many mistakes, you must work these texts again. Task number 4. Who owns activity? Look at the picture and find out which school described in these sentences. The both schools of Bangladesh or the Vitra Telephone Plan School. Your descriptor is Elena reads statements carefully, understands the main information, chooses the school's name correctly. Assessment criteria. Elena chooses the school's name correctly. The first sentence, a school without classroom. Which school is it? The both schools of Bangladesh or the Vitra Telephone Plan School? How do you think? Yes, it's the Vitra Telephone Plan School. Sentence number 2. There is even a blackboard and a computer with internet. Which school is it? Yes, it's the both schools of Bangladesh. The next, the school is very simple and important. Which school is it? Right, the both schools of Bangladesh. The next sentence, the school is with a big space full of bright colors. Which school is it? Okay, the Vitra Telephone Plan School. And the last sentence. There are desks and chairs for 30 children inside. Nice to you. It's the both schools of Bangladesh. Thank you for your work, and now your homework. Your homework will be exercise number 2, page 8, workbook. Unscramble the words to form classroom objects, then use them to complete the sentences. Children, what do you think about the lesson? You must complete 3 sentences. I think the lesson was boring or interesting? It was boring or interesting to work at the lesson. And the last, I think the tasks were boring or interesting. Please complete the sentences. Our lesson is out. Goodbye.